today we're going to be showing the how to play Havana, but adding actually solo into it. I just got a phone call from a mother of a child who had a previous experience of learning the scales, major scales and minor scale. And matter of fact, she's only 7, but she had to learn all the circle of fifth of major scale, minor scale, but not yet explained how to use those scales. So over the phone, I explained to her that if you learn the minor scale, you can actually use those minor scale to play or solo in a song called Havana. And she's like, well, that song is really popular among the kids. And matter of fact, I guess they featured in Grammy this year performing. So she was super excited, and I'm very excited as well to introduce that, to bond that, the knowledge of how to play scale and playing in the current that is popular music. And this can be really easily done. Okay, so with that explained, in my first video would explain how to play Havana playing a chords. Basically it starts with A minor chords, and then F minor chords, F major chords, sorry. F major chords, and then E major chords. Okay, while you kind of like I shown you in the first video, but this time I'm just gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So practice that kind of this syncopation. So 1 and 2, right? And then after that, once you get used to it, you have self-independence of the left hand. Once accomplished, we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna play the A minor scale. A minor scale is very simple. Start with the A note and play all the white notes and end at the other A notes. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so this A scale, now within the A scale, actually the Havana, the melody is already there. 3 5 5 3 3 1. All right, so let's say Haba, so Haba. Okay, so that's used to it. Then now we're randomizing. Some people probably play more fancy way, or some people can be probably play a little more simpler. Simpler would be every quarter notes or every half notes, and then depends on how used to your Latin rhythm. So da ka da da pa ka da. So I think once you know the scale, now your implementation is your rhythm. So rhythm is probably the next step that you want to know. But for now, when the rhythm is not really clicking, then just randomizing short, long, long, short, short, or just start long, long, long for a while and then add the short, short, short. So I'm calling long, short, but they probably say like syncopation or quarter notes or eighth note. They will probably use the words as well too. So that can be also explained that way. So yeah, what you do is you combination of chords. And then at one point you do repeat that a few times. And next thing you probably want to do is just main melody, right? And then what the jazz musician do after the main melody is synced in, and then they go. And once the solo is done, again you go back to. I hope you guys learned something, and if something's confusing or have any question, please add a comment and I'll read them and then I'll respond as well. I don't have that many followers, so this should be okay. Thank you.